Updating your legal name on Nutmeg is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Nutmeg account by entering your login credentials on the Nutmeg website or app. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Look for an option that allows you to update your personal information. Click on the Change Name or Update Name link. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Prepare any necessary documents that verify your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Upload these documents as prompted. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the required fields and uploading documents, review your changes and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name has been updated. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on Nutmeg should be updated promptly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Nutmeg's customer support for assistance.